Losing weight is no easy feat. Weight loss is a time consuming process in most cases if you are aiming for a sustainable weight loss plan. Moreover, each body takes its own time to process and adapt to the changes. Your diet plays a major role in weight management. It can make or break your fitness goals. Eating fruits may prove to be a game changer of sorts. Fruits are not only replete with vital antioxidants and minerals, but they could also help burn belly fat naturally. Here are some fruits that are known to cut belly fat. The first one is guava. This green crunchy fruit is the most loved winter fruits of all times. It is loaded with dietary fibers and it helps in enabling slow release of sugar in the bloodstream. This promotes better insulin activity and weight management too. The second one is tomato. The tangy goodness of tomato may do wonders to cut your belly fat. Tomatoes tend to stimulate the production of the amino acid called carnitine that plays a crucial role in regulation of fatty acid and energy metabolism. Tomato also helps in decreasing lipids in blood and ensure healthy weight loss. Tomatoes also have high fiber content. The third wonderful fruit is apple. Fresh and crunchy apples are packed with healthy flavonoids and fibers that may help burn belly fat. They are particularly rich in pectin fiber that breaks down slowly. Apples are also very low in calories and sugar content, which makes it an ideal bet for weight loss. The next fruit would be kiwi. The tarty fruit is known to boost digestion naturally. Kiwi contains an enzyme known as actinidin, which helps in digestion of proteins in the body. A good digestion and sustainable weight loss goes hand in hand. The next one is strawberries. Juicy and ever so delightful strawberries are tremendously low in calories. A 100-gram serving of strawberries contain only 33 calories. You can tuck into them raw, blend them into smoothies, or toss them up in salad as strawberries are immensely versatile. The next known fruit would be watermelon. Watermelon sometimes gets a bad rap for being high in sugar. After all, one slice has 18 grams of sugar. But compared to another summer snack like ice cream, watermelon is way more nutritious. Plus, science says it's one of the best fruits for fat and weight loss. The last one would be lemon. Drinking lemon water in place of fruit juices or soda can absolutely support your weight loss efforts. Every time you have a glass of lemon water instead of a can of Coke, you save yourself 100 to 200 calories and at least 20 grams of sugar. Include these foods in your diet and watch out for the impact on your waistline. These nutritious fruits are sure to help you reach your fitness goals and lose weight in a healthy way.